In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw fractals in Tradingview 2025, step by step. Fractals are a classic tool that help you quickly spot potential swing highs and lows on any chart. They're simple, visual, and great for adding structure to your technical analysis, whether you're day trading or just reviewing a market. Start by opening Tradingview and loading any chart you want to analyze. It can be a stock, crypto, forex pair, anything. The time frame and instrument are up to you, because the process is identical across the platform. Next, look to the left sidebar and click the Indicators and Strategies icon. It looks like a small chemistry flask. This is where you can add built-in tools and custom studies to your chart. In the search bar at the top of the Indicators window, type the word Fractal. From the results, choose Bill Williams Fractals. This is the widely used, standard version that most traders reference. As soon as you select it, you'll see the fractals appear on your chart as small triangles above and below the candles. Triangles above the candles mark potential swing highs, and triangles below highlight potential swing lows. A quick note for context. A traditional fractal forms when a candle is preceded and followed by a set number of bars that are lower or higher, depending on direction. That means a fractal only confirms once the bars to the right have closed, so there's a slight delay by design. If you want to customize how these markers look, or how sensitive they are, click the gear-shaped settings icon next to the indicator name at the top of your chart. This opens the settings window for the fractals. Here, you can adjust left bars and right bars. These control how many candles on each side are used to confirm a fractal. Smaller values make the indicator more sensitive, showing more frequent signals, while larger values filter out noise and show fewer, more selective signals. You can also edit the up color and down color to make them stand out against your chart background. Pick high contrast colors so they're visible at a glance. And if the triangles look too small or too large for your current zoom level, adjust the size until they're easy to read without cluttering the chart. Once you're happy with the settings, click OK to save your changes. Your fractals are now tailored to your preferences and ready to use in your analysis. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.